Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
You start by confirming the exact Instagram username and the email or phone number linked to the account, because that determines which data Instagram returns. Once done, use the same device or a trusted browser to avoid triggering security checks. Make sure private mode is off so caches are accessible. Next, request a data download from Instagram settings now. That begins the official retrieval and creates a packaged copy of your account activity for later inspection. You request your data via Settings Security Download Data, typing the email Instagram will send. This is essential because deleted search entries may persist in account logs. After you receive the download link, download the zip on a desktop and unzip to a safe folder, since mobile apps can hide files. Then open activity and search as JSON or HTML files. Use a text search to find specific keywords or usernames. That reveals past queries that the app no longer. You now extract the relevant entries and cross-check them with your device browser history and any app cache files. This confirms dates and full search strings. Once done, if the exported data lacks the expected searches, make sure you requested the correct account and wait 48 to 72 hours. Sometimes the package updates. If problems persist, re-request the export and, as a last resort, contact Instagram support with the account details and timestamps to escalate recovery.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.